If you're an Apple fan, you're probably using iCloud Keychain, at least in some capacity. Now obviously that works great on Apple devices, but it's not built into Windows the same way. That said, you can absolutely use iCloud features, including iCloud Keychain, on Windows. You'll just need to set a few things up first. In order to use iCloud Passwords, that's the Windows version of iCloud Keychain, you'll need to make sure you meet a couple prerequisites. You'll need an Apple device running iOS 14, iPadOS 14, or macOS 11, plus you'll need to have two-factor authentication set up on your iCloud account. On the Windows side of things, you'll need to be using iCloud for Windows version 12 or later. If you're not sure what you have, all you need to do is open the iCloud for Windows app. The version number is in the upper right corner. If you haven't installed iCloud for Windows yet, just open the Microsoft Store and search for iCloud, then select the iCloud app. Click the blue Install button on the right side. Once you're sure you meet the prerequisites and you've got a compatible Apple device handy, launch the iCloud for Windows app. If you haven't signed in yet, do so with whichever Apple ID you want to use. After the app launches, you'll see a checklist of various items to sync. This includes your iCloud Drive, photos, and more. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see passwords. Make sure to check the checkbox next to this item. Now wait a little bit while everything syncs. At this point, you should be able to launch the Icloud Passwords app to view and manage all your various passwords. You're also able to install browser extensions, and that's what we're going to look at next. All you need to do to use iCloud Passwords in Microsoft Edge is install an extension, and Apple makes that easy. Open the iCloud for Windows app, and near the bottom of the window, you'll see the password section that you enabled before. Right below the key icon, you'll see With Microsoft Edge, and a button labeled Install Extension. Click this button and a window will pop up informing you that you'll need an extension. Now click Download to open Microsoft Edge. The browser will load the iCloud Passwords extension install page. Click the blue Get button on the right side of the window, then click Add Extension. If you have Google Chrome installed, you'll also see an option in the iCloud for Windows app to install an extension for Chrome. This works the same as installing the extension for Microsoft Edge, only in Chrome. Unfortunately, there aren't extensions for Firefox, Brave, or other browsers, at least not yet. Using the iCloud Passwords extension in a browser is relatively easy whether you're using Edge or Chrome. It's a little bare bones compared to 1Password or a password manager like that, but it's got the basics, which are really all you need. When it's time to enter the username and password, just click the iCloud Passwords extension in the browser navigation bar. On Chrome, you may have to click the Extensions button first. Click the iCloud Passwords extension icon and enter the 6-digit verification code if prompted. Now choose the login you want from the list if there are multiple items. Once you click the login, the extension will autofill your username and password. You can also launch the iCloud Passwords app to manage passwords that way. Here you can copy and paste usernames and passwords, create logins, edit logins, and delete them. This is all pretty straightforward, so we're not going to go into it here. And there you go. For even more information and frequently asked questions, check out the companion article over at MakeTechEasier.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.